Hi guys, welcome back to part 2 of my ZXR 400 build. So on this episode I'm going to be stripping the bike down to a frame, which is really exciting, and this is where the real work begins and where snap bolts start happening as well. So all very exciting stuff. I just want to say thank you to everyone who joined me on the last episode and watched it and gave me great feedback to work with. I sincerely appreciate it. I really hope you enjoy this episode. It would be me if I didn't let something fall. It's so gross.
It's the orange background to make it easier. I'll have it that.
So now that I've got the bike stripped down to the frame, what I'm going to do now is a brush finish on the swing arm and the frame. That's going to require quite a bit of work because the frame's not in fantastic shape as is, and there's quite a lot of hard to reach areas on the frame and the swing arm. I'd like to get the bike back to being a rolling chassis as soon as I can, just to keep the momentum up in the build, because I feel like I've been making pretty good progress so far, so I'd really like to keep that up. So hopefully by the next episode I'm going to have it back to being a rolling chassis. Thank you so much for watching this episode. I sincerely appreciate it. If you'd like to subscribe, it would make my day. Thank you so much.